Today we're diving into something many creators face, especially if they've been on YouTube for quite a while. Rebranding your channel. If your content, audience or style has evolved, but you don't want to start your channel from scratch, this video is for you. Let's talk about how to rebrand your channel with confidence, without losing your audience or momentum. Let's be real, okay? We grow, our passions shift. And what excited us at the start might not light us up anymore. So there are lots of reasons you might want to rebrand your channel. Your niche might have changed. You might have started with vlogs, but now your focus is more on education and teaching people how to do things. Or your audience might have changed. Maybe you're now targeting a more specific age group or a more specific interest. Or maybe you've grown more confident and you want that fresh start, something that's more aligned with your identity. Whatever your reason is, that's okay. In fact, rebranding might be exactly what your channel needs to grow to the next level. So what does rebranding actually mean? Well, it can mean any of the following. It could be updating your channel name, or changing your banner and visuals, your logo. It could be adjusting your content focus or your niche even. It could be creating a new tone of voice or style, maybe changing your editing style. And it could be just updating your about section or your thumbnails. The good news is you don't need to delete anything, because you can still evolve your brand while keeping your existing content and subscribers. So here's my quick 5-step guide to rebranding. Okay, so step number 1, get clear on your new direction. So you need to ask, who am I helping now? What kind of content do I want to be known for? And what kind of energy or vibe do I want to create? Getting clear on this will help you know where you're going with your channel. And having that clear vision always helps. So step 2, update your visuals. So you can use Canva or Photoshop, whatever you like to use, to create a new logo, create a new banner, create new thumbnails. I'd say try and keep a cohesive theme throughout your visuals, because that will present you as more professional. Step 3, update your channel description. So clearly communicate what your channel is about now. Let new and existing viewers know what to expect. So your existing viewers might expect you to make the same content. They might think, oh, this person's changed their direction. But if you're clear in the description of your channel, what your channel is about and what you're going to cover, then everyone will know where they are with your channel. And then it's up to them. If they want to unsubscribe, they'll unsubscribe. But most of your community, I promise you, will stay with you, because you've already created that personal link with them. And they like that. Step number 4, create a new channel intro video. So you can let people know what's changing. So you could say, hey, here's what's changing on my channel. I'm going to be doing this now. And here's why I've decided to do this. If you're open and authentic, then people will stick with you. And they'll go with you on your new journey. Step number 5, don't panic about your old videos. So leave your old videos up, okay? Because they still might help bring people into your channel. So don't delete anything. Your old videos are part of your story. So keep them, because other people will find value in your old videos as well. So like I said, you might lose a few subscribers, okay? But that's not the end of the world. The ones who stay are aligned with where you're going. And remember, you're building your people, not just anyone. Rebranding is about alignment, clarity and confidence. You're not starting over, you're leveling up. So if this video resonated with you and you're thinking of rebranding your channel, let me know in the comments below. Tell me your story. I'd love to hear it. And I've also created a completely free YouTube upload checklist that you can download from the description below. It'll help you stay consistent and professional after you rebrand. And as always, if you liked this video, remember to give it a like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video, especially if you want some more gentle, practical advice on your YouTube journey. I am here to help you. And remember, you've got this, and I'll see you in the next one.